I am engineer by background. So I come from very small. You have to understand my thought process. Why I am doing business. So come from very small town in UP, Eastern UP. It's called Padrona. The background is farming. My almost all my family. Uh, they rely on like farming as a major source of income. Big family, 5 siblings. I was the youngest. Only opportunity for us in life was to study and get out and and do something good for our life. Canada गया, masters किया. The first job, the realization was कि the people who have supported me, I would not say supported, sacrificed for me, because there's a limited income, right? अगर एक बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हो तो आप पांचों को सेम चीज नहीं पढ़ा सकते. तो all my elder siblings sacrifice a bit of their portion. They are much smarter than me, I believe that. But since I was the youngest, तो वो लाड प्यार में everyone was focusing, तू पढ़ ले, इसको इस स्कूल में डालते, इसको यहाँ भेजते हैं, इसको वहाँ भेजते हैं. So throughout my upbringing, that was constant thing in my head. In a fun language, they are my early seed investors, right? So by doing job, I could have lived a better life for myself. But to make changes in a big family which I belong to, I had to do something extraordinary to achieve that. And to do extraordinary, business is the only option, right? So in 2015, I randomly left Canada. I left my first job. I did it for 3 months, 2.5 months. Came to India because one thing was very certain, like कि US Canada में business banana is very tough because everything is so saturated. Okay, and people have become big, and it's a tough fight against all these big players. So I chose the easiest path. Came back to Delhi. काफी ऑड चीजें की लाइफ में फिर वन लाइक ऑब्वियसली बीइंग अ tech background, the infatuation was to start a tech company. Started a tech company, raise some fund. Started in like 3-4 months. Did not work out in my favor. So one day the realization came when the coffee habit picked up. कॉलेज तक तो कोई कॉफी नहीं पीता, पैसे नहीं होते तो कॉफी कहाँ से पियोगे? And even in a सरकारी कॉलेज you can't go and ask for an espresso shot, right? That too in सूरतकल, right? मतलब middle of nowhere. तो कॉफी से इंट्रोड्यूस कनाडा में हुए हैं, ठीक है. -30 में you can't survive without coffee. Then it became a habit. तो कि आप खाना नहीं बनाना चाहते, so you will have more coffees to kill your appetite, फिर आपको लगा एक दिन वो shit, सारे पैसे तो यही चले जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. So started home brewing. तो इंडिया में when I moved, even when there was no saving, nothing, like I used to go to Costa in front of IIT, like SDM every day, just to have my 2-3 cups of coffee. फिर एक दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ टेक कंपनी चल नहीं रही है, ये सही कैटेगरी है, बिकॉज ना तो ये मैसेज कर रहा है, ना तो ये बुला रहा है, एंड सारा चीज सेक्रीफाइस करके मैं कॉफी पीने आ रहा हूँ, बिकॉज यू जस्ट can't function without that, or that was part of your lifestyle. Then started studying more about India coffee, all this hypothesis, XYZ, ठीक है. उसके बिना हम लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करते. जैसे मैं बिना 2 पेजर बनाए लाइफ में कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेता हूँ, ठीक है, आज तक, ठीक है. Not on Excel sheet, because Excel sheet is slightly misleading. Okay, you have to write it down, ठीक है.
Future founders, please note this. 2-pager, but not an Excel sheet. Please.
Because Excel sheet you can make error, ठीक है. आपका प्लस माइनस आपको शायद से ना पता चले, ठीक है. Because there are so many formulas and it's very easy. You drag it down, right? While writing, you just can't drag it down. तो आपको लिखना पड़ता है चीज, ठीक है. So it got very convincing hypothesis that coffee would be a good market in future, and that's how we started selling coffee.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.